Hello, friends. Everyone is worried about flies, mosquitoes, and bugs inside the house. So if we use electric bug zappers, then the life of their tube lights and bulbs is very short. The life of a good tube light is only 2,000 to 3,000 hours, after which we have to change it, which is also a difficult task. So I thought, why not share a tip with you, which is cheaper than the price of the tube light of the bug zapper, and can work for more than 10 years in life. It is very easy, and I have also worked on it in the form of a video. So without wasting time, let's learn how it can be made. First of all, safety first. You have to remove the cover from the trap. You have to remove the rods from the trap. Look at this. I have purple color UV LEDs. I bought them from Amazon. I will also share the link. After that, I am dividing the entire strip in half, so that I can easily put half on one rod and half on the other rod. You will keep in mind that the step-up has to take UV, so that the bugs are more attracted to it. And see this, I have started from one side and put the strip on the other side, and now I am going to the other rod. You will keep in mind that the step-up has to take UV, so that the bugs are more attracted to it. And see this, I have started from one side and put the strip on the other side, and now I am going to the other rod. This UV LEDs work on a 5-volt adapter. If you want, you can connect it directly by plugging it into a small adapter, which I will do and share in the next video. That's all there is to it. Take this and it's ready. You just have to put the covers back on nicely, and that's it. The job is done.